त्वं गुणत्रयातीतः त्वं देहत्रयातीतः त्वं कालत्रयातीतः त्वं मूलाधारस्थितोऽसि नित्यं त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मकः त्वां योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यं त्वं ब्रह्मास्त्वं विष्णुस्त्वं रुद्रस्त्वं इन्द्रस्त्वं अग्निस्त्वं वायुस्त्वं सूर्यस्त्वं चन्द्रमास्त्वं ब्रह्म भूर्भुवस्वरोम् ओम. So in Ganapati Athar Shirsha, it comes from Brahmastam, Vishnustam, means everyone is you only. You are the Brahma, you are the Vishnu, you are Shiva, you are Surya, you are Chandra. So everything is you. Similarly, in prayer to Guru, we say Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. So everything is Guru only. Okay, with such a Guru, how we should keep our relationship? What is the relationship between a Guru and a disciple? What is the relationship between a God and a devotee? Today we will see a little bit. So who will share something? Can you share? What is the relationship between a Bhakta and God, or a disciple and a Guru? What is the relationship?
Like child and a parent. Child and a parent relationship.
Guru ఎలా ఉంటే అలానే రిసీవ్ చేసుకోవడం.
Means what? You can elaborate. You can explain little.
Surrenderness with Guru.
Actually, all relations may reflect. Sometimes he may act as father, sometimes he may act as teacher, sometimes he may act as brother, kind of thing.
Even more as a mother also.
Mantra Mulam Guru Vakya.
More than mother and father.
Mantra Mulam Guru Vakya, Moksha Mulam Guru Guruji.
Guruji, like Hanuman Guruji, Bantu. We should be like Bantu.
So usually in the world, what are the relationship we have? Usually in the outside world, what relationship we have? A common man. What relationship common man had outside world?
Boss and subordinate.
In outside world, we will be like friend or stranger.
It's give and take relationship outside the world.
Yes, correct. It is a business relationship. Okay, correct. It is a relationship connecting to business. To get some profit, we'll have connection. Correct. And we tell, I deserve this. You have to give. There are two things. One is asking one thing, and another is I deserve this. You give. This is one thing. Okay.
Demanding.
I paid for
As a
this,
right.
so you give. I paid for this, so you give.
Correct. As a right.
Right.
You ask as a right. Okay. But with a Guru, you cannot say. You have no right at all to ask anything. Okay. Just you can ask, but whatever Guru wants fit to you, he will give. You cannot tell, I deserve it, you have to give me. Okay. I have done so much, you must give me. No. If you ask like that, what it shows, it is not surrenderfulness. Correct. It is your ahankar. It is somebodyness you are asking. I have done so much. Means you have done everything. Okay. You are still in ahankar state. Okay. So with Guru also you can ask. A child can ask to her mother anything. But mother, what will mother do? Whatever is really required to the child, she will give. Correct. She may not give whatever child asks. Correct. She will see what is the child is really required. How much a child needs. She knows, no? Like this, there is a very good shloka Shankaracharya ji tells in Devi Aparadha Kshamapana Stotra. Okay, it is very wonderful. Just I will read it once, and then I will tell you the gist. न मंत्रम नो यंत्रम तदपि जाने स्तुतिमहो न चौहानम ध्यानम तदपि च न जाने स्तुति कथाः न जाने मुद्रास्ते तदपि च न जाने विलपनम परम जाने मातस्तदनुसरणं क्लेशहरणं विधेर ज्ञानेन द्रविण विरहेणालसतया विधेया शक्यत्वा तव चरणयो याच्युतिरभूत् तदेतक्षन्तव्यं जननि सकलोद्धारिणी शिवे कुपुत्रो जायेत् क्वचिदपि कुमाता न भवति पृथिव्यां पुत्रास्ते जननि भव सन्ति कतनः परं तेषां मध्ये विरलतरलोहं तव सुतः मदीयोऽयं त्यागः समुचितमिदं नो तव शिवे कुपुत्रो जायेत् क्वचिदपि कुमाता न भवति जगन्मातर्मातस्तव चरण सेवा न रचिता नवा दत्तं देवी द्रविणमपि भूयस्तव मया तथापि त्वं स्नेहं मयि निरुपमं यत् प्रकुरुषे कुपुत्रो जायेत् क्वचिदपि कुमाता न भवति परित्यक्ता देवा विविध विधि सेवा कुलतया मया पञ्चाशीतेरधिकमुपनीते तु वयसि इदानीं चेन्मातस्तव यदि कृपा नापि भविता निरालम्बो लम्बोदर जननिकं यामि शरणं श्वपाको जल्पाको भवति मधुपाकोपमगिरा निरातङ्को रङ्को विहरति चिरं कोटिकनकैः तवापर्णे कर्णे विशति मनुवर्णे फलमिदं जनको जानिते जननि जपनीयं जपविधौ चिताभस्मालेपो गरलमशनं दिक्पटधरो जटाधारी कंठे भुजगपतिहारी पशुपतिः कपाली भूतेशो भजति जगदीशैकपदवीं भवानी त्वत्पाणिग्रहण परिपाटी फलमिदं न मोक्षस्याकाङ्क्षा भव विभववाञ्छापि च न मे न विज्ञानापेक्षा शशिमुखि सुखेच्छापि न पुनः अतस्त्वां संयाचे जननि जननं यातु मम वै मृडानि रुद्राणि शिवे शिवे भवानीति जपतः नाराधितासि विधिना विविधोपचारैः किं वृक्षचिन्तन परेर्न कृतं वचोभिः श्यामे त्वमेव यदि किञ्चन मय्यनाथे धत्से कृपामुचितमम्ब परं तवैव आपत्सु मग्न स्मरणं त्वदीयं करोमि दुर्गे करुणार्णवे शिवे नैतच्छटत्वं मम भावयेताः क्षुधातृषार्ता जननीं स्मरन्ति जगदम्बा विचित्रमत्र किं परिपूर्णा करुणास्ति चेन्मयि अपराध परम्परावृतं न हि माता समोपेक्षते सुतं मत्समपातकी नास्ति पापग्नि तत्समा नहि एवं ज्ञात्वा महादेवी यथा योग्यं तथा कुरु. So with Devi Bhagavati, Shankaracharya, he tells, I don't know any mantra, I don't know any tantra, I don't know how to pray you, I don't know how to meditate on you, I don't know how to make stuti of you, but still you are blessing me as my mother. So like that, he go on telling, I am unable to praise you, I am unable to thank you, I am unable to see greatness in you, but still you are looking me as your child. So you are so great. And the last he says, Matsama pataki nasti papagni tatsama nahi evam jnatva mahadevi yata yogyam tata kuru. There is no sinner like me, and there is no person who can pardon like you. So you are my mother. Mother, by knowing this, you do whatever is required to me. Evam jnatva mahadevi yata yogyam tata kuru. What is appropriate, you do it accordingly. So this is a wonderful prayer. He has not told, you give me everything. I can say as a child, but you give me by whatever is thinking, what is appropriate to me, you give me. So this is a very great prayer by Shankaracharya ji. It is Devi Aparadha Kshamapana Stotra. So every day, this time in Chaturmasa, I have told for mainly initiators, you just every day you chant it. Okay, by seeing the book, you chant it every day. So it is very, it will take you to very depth. How great people they ask for God. So it is so wonderful. It is how it will come, in which state it will come, you know. This type of prayer, Shankaracharya is very great. He's a great guru. But he asked Mata, you see, Mother, you are great. I may ask anything, but you see, whatever is really required to me, what is appropriate to me, you give. So this is the sambandha of a devotee and God. That is, this is called Atma-Atma Sambandha, where you see a God in your Guru and be with him and serve him with all the love and care. And still you will say, I don't know anything, just like Shankaracharya. He tells, I don't know how to pray you. I don't know how to even weep. Nothing I know, but still you are protecting me with your grace. This is Atma-Atma Sambandha. This is eternal Sambandha. So if this Sambandha starts, nothing, no break will happen. In this Sambandha, there is no break in Atma-Atma Sambandha. So how to develop this Atma-Atma Sambandha? For this, Guruji has given us a very beautiful sadhana. What is that? How to develop Atma-Atma Sambandha?
AMC.
Exactly. To develop Atma-Atma Sambandha, you have to go into deeper level of silence. Attend to AMCs, go to AMCs regularly. That is Vairagya Sadhana. Going into silence and being with your Guru, you start experiencing, I am nothing. Only it is by Guru's grace, it is going on. So everything is happening. I am here. That feeling, that experience you start. Then day by day, it is very wonderful. Your life will become very wonderful. You start every moment, you start enjoying life. Joyfully you will be there wherever you are. So once you experience this state, Guru physically may not be with you, but you start experiencing Guru is with me. Like your mother, she may not be with you. She may be at other place, but you feel as if she is with me. Like that, you start feeling Guru is with me. Guru is seeing me, whatever I am doing. So this is the experience where all our saints, all our great rishis, all our masters lived. Okay. For this, there is one beautiful story of Kanak Das ji. Sant Kanak Das, he is a saint from South India. He was a bhakta of Lord Krishna. He is very one story. When he was in Gurukul, there are so many other Shishyas with there, like TTC, here so many 50-55 members are there, like that. So many people with him. So one day, his Guruji asked all the Shishyas and gave each one a banana and asked them, you go and this banana you should eat. And where should you eat is at a place where nobody sees. You have to eat this banana by going to a place where nobody sees. Then everybody ran. Somebody went to their room, closed the door, they eat. And some, they went to bathroom, closed the door and eat. Some ran away they went behind a tree and they eat. And, next session, Guruji called them. Next session he asked, all of you have eaten the banana? They say, yes, we have all eaten. Then Guruji asks, where you go and eat? Where you go and eat? Then they told, I go into a room and close the door and eat. Nobody has seen me. I went to bathroom, close the door. Nobody could see me. Like that they start telling. Then Guruji asked, really? Nobody has seen you? Nobody has seen us. We are close the door. Nobody has seen. Then at last, Guruji asked Kanakdas, Kanakdas ji, what you have done? Have you eaten banana? Then Kanakdas gave the banana again to Guruji because he has brought back. He gives to Guruji. Then Guruji asks, why you have not eaten the banana? Then Kanakdas says, Guruji, you have told you have to eat banana in such a place where nobody could see. But wherever I go and I think to start to eat, just I am seeing you and God. I went to so many places, but I won't see a place where nobody could see. Because everywhere I am seeing you and God. How can I eat? So then Guruji appreciated. This is really a great person. Because Kanakdas has that Atma Sambandha. Wherever he was, he could see. Though physically Guruji was not there with him, wherever he goes, he should experience his Guru. He should experience the God. So this is a relationship. So with this, we have to move. For this, the sadhana is regularly attending AMCC is very important. Doing 15 minutes meditation initially for surrenderfulness, morning, evening, afternoon. So in TTC, everybody is meditating 3 times or not? Babu? All
Yes,
are meditating,
yes,
no?
2 times.
2 times.
2 times.
3 times. 3 times you have to meditate. Okay. Trikal Sandhya, you have to meditate 3 times. You have to do. There is no option for that. Okay. You must make a time and do it. Okay. It is very, very important. If you are not done, please do now. Start from today. Okay. And once you become a teacher, regularly attend to AMCs, BSTs. All the trainings are very, very important. You have to be there. Be there. Go silently, participate and experience. Don't stuck only in classes. Okay. Classes should happen out of this your silence. So both should go simultaneously. Your sadhana and the classes. The classes are effect of sadhana. Should go like that. Okay. But usually what will happen? No, in doing the classes slowly, we are so busy. We'll just forget. We'll give less importance for sadhana. So that is the state why we go down. Okay. So it is very, very important. So to be in sadhana is most important. Unless you are having this connection now, so it is no use. Only this connection, if you go now, it is worth to be SSY teacher. This is the blessings. All the blessings will come if you start experiencing this. Always wherever you are, something fantastic things will start happening. Okay. So I request all of you. Okay. So this is the time now. This time is as showing nature also, correct? Due to corona, this is all giving a signal. What signal? Just use your time for sadhana, correct? Be inside. Inside means what? Not simply in the home. Go inside. That is the signal. God says, if you don't hear, Guruji says, if you don't hear, what will happen? Nature will say, correct? You do this. So we are very, very fortunate to be here in this particular age at this time. Okay. You are all lucky. This time you got the TTC. So this time is a great shifting is happening in the world. Okay. It is shifting from Kali Yuga to Satya Yuga. Now people who are unable to do sadhana, no, they will all go. For them, there is no place here. Only people who are doing sadhana, for them only this is the place. In every place, there are some rules, no? Here now in Satya Yuga, what is the rule? You must do sadhana regularly, that's all. And you must be with your guru. If you are unable to do this, this thing, you are not eligible here. So it is a time, okay? Huge transition is taking place in the world now. So here, all of us now we have to come and operate as gods with each other with all centerfulness. We assure you greatest heaven on this earth here and hereafter. Okay, you need not worry for anything. All the blessings will simply pour on you. Okay, blessings are always there. Grace is always there, but to absolve that, to get into the grace, the sadhana is required. No? Like sun. So sun is always blessing with heat. Vitamin D. To get that, what you have to do? You have to go out and be in sunlight. If you simply in the home, closing the doors, you won't get that. Correct? A flower blossoms. It gives fragrance. Correct? All the way. But your nose should be effective, no, to grasp that sugandha. Your nose should be in proper way. If it is nose is not blocked, you can't have the sugandha, the flavor of a flower. So like that, grace, blessings are simply coming, but we must have the eligibility to get that. Okay, so sadhana is the only way to get all the blessings from Guru and experience the state. Always in the experience of Guruji is with me. Guruji is, God is with me. Not only simply saying, to experience that. Okay, so this Guru Puja mantra is it will very much help you. Okay, so every day you chant. In your house also you chant every day. So chanting, slowly it will happen in your mind. Then you start experiencing, then you start living. Okay, so it is a great thing to live with all the masters. Okay. It is so wonderful. So every day we will see 1 or 2 stories of all the saints, all the masters who have done great tapas and given all the things to us. Okay, for us it has come very easily. Correct? Without any tapas we are getting this. But after getting this, we have to start the tapas now. Usually, people start tapas, then they get. But we have done very easy. We have got this very easily. So Guruji has made us so easily and given to us. But to experience the effect of this, we have to do sadhana. Okay, lot of sadhana we have to do together. Okay, so let us all be together. Okay, grow in the silence within and experience everything. It is a God's creation. It is Guru's creation. And whatever we get, we will offer it to Guru again. Because we have brought nothing here. No? While coming, we have brought nothing. While going also, we won't take anything. So whatever in between, it is only grace given by Guru, God. So we will use the same for the Guru's work, for the God's work. And Gurus will depute so many people for their work. Okay. All our teachers have come here for that only. Now you also joined for this only. So everybody is for this, just offering whatever Guru has given, just will offer. Okay, without expecting anything. Okay, then something wonderful, your life will start. Okay, so I wish you all the best. I think you are all growing in this knowledge. Okay, already started. This is not, I'm again focusing, this is not simply teaching. While teaching, you have to learn so much. They say, no, earn while you learn. Now, you learn while you teach. Okay. There is something wonderful. This is your, the sadhana should be your health in investment plan. People make SIP, RD account in bank, no? All SIP, systematic investment plan. Now HIP, this is called health investment plan. This is only surrenderness to Guru. Okay. And do sadhana, all the health will come back. Okay. You need not worry. All protection will come to you. Okay. Automatically it will be protected. In surrenderfulness, all things will come back. In the love, you start experiencing great love day by day. No, all your health, all your beauty, everything, whatever you really want, no, it will come as it is. Okay. So just do it sadhana very sincerely. Okay. Learn here very sincerely. Whatever you do, just do it as a offering to master, offering to gurus. So it is very wonderful. Okay. So today is Ganesh Chaturthi. So Ganesh Chaturthi day, all of you have done today puja?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, very nice. So without Guru, without sending to Guru, we have no value. For that, there is one story of Ganesh. Okay. On this day, just Ganesh ji wanted to go outside and see. Today is my birthday. How people are celebrating. He has gone to market. So many Ganeshas they keep, in the shop for sale. Correct? Small one, big one, in various decorations, various colors. He saw Ganesh ji and he was very happy. Oh, so much people are valuing me. He thought Ganesh ji. Then he went to one more shop there. Then it was very nice. So wonderful Ganesha he has made. And, Ganesh ji asked, what is the value of this? Then the shopkeeper told, besides that, there are two more idols of one is Shiva and one is of Parvati. The shopkeeper told, if you purchase Shiva and Parvati, this is free. This is offer. For this, there is no value. Yeah, it is free. Then Ganesh realized, okay, this is not, I thought earlier, this is my value. I am so big. Now this is not because of me. My value is because of my father and mother, Shiva and Parvati. So like this, no? Because of this Guru Parampara, we are getting value. In this TTC, wherever we come outside, all the people will love you, all the people will invite you. But you must always remember, it is all Guru's grace. Okay. You also should learn to offer them. Okay. Don't take unnecessarily anything. Okay. They may offer anything, but what is absolutely required, okay, that you have to take. एक रोटी लंगोटी और राम नाम. Okay. ये तीन बहुत important है. Roti anybody can give you. We need not demand. Everybody will give. So it is very fantastic to live. So all our teachers are experiencing this. That is why we are all here today with you all. With so much love, with so much care. All your parent teachers have recommended you. Why? Because so much love for the children. How a mother looks the children, no? My child should grow. So with that intention, they have all sent you. Okay. So you just be with them, all the parents. So and go ahead. So it is a wonderful to experience this. It is a wonderful world to see. Okay. So God bless you all. So very nice to be with you all. Okay. All our teachers are there, all our senior teachers. Just be with them. They did not talk. By being their presence, they will give you everything. Okay. By being within their own silence, they will give you all the energy in the class. So it is wonderful. Okay. Just like we have to go tomorrow when this corona ends, physical class starts also. Like that, all teachers should come together, do it like this, how we are doing now, no? With, in a group, like that, classes should go. And with Seva, all classes should end with a with Seva program. Seva. When you see God, you start doing Seva. Seva is very important. Seva Sangh should develop. Satsang. Then slowly Satsang should turn into Seva Sangh. Okay. Then people will simply come to SSY and start doing Seva. Okay. Clean India, it may be health camps in rural areas. At least once in a quarter, 2-3 batches together. It is a big you must celebrate. It should be a big celebration with all teachers. You can include other associations also, Lions Club, Rotary Club. Such people will be there to offer seva. With the coordination with them, you can also do seva like that. Okay, so it will be wonderful. So once in a 2-3 months, one big seva program you have to organize. Okay, this is also part of the class. Simply doing class is not so important unless you do seva. You do 2 class, next class is seva class. Okay, next 4th one is again SSY class, 5th SSY class, 6th one seva. So with seva we have to include everyone. So everybody will experience love while doing seva. No, they start experiencing love. Okay, and with love they come to SSY class. Okay, very important. Not only this, not simply doing the classes. Let us all do. I will also come. Okay, I am Itu. I am only meant for seva. Okay, so we do together. Take everyone together in seva. Offer our strength to all the people around. So with seva, lot of things will come. Okay, all the blessings will come. People who are really in seva, no, really God will bless. People will bless. Everybody will bless. Okay. So I pray Guru Parampara, let all the blessings come to you through seva and through giving this wonderful knowledge. So all the best. Take ahead. Okay. We are always with you. Okay. I am always with you. Wherever you are, I will be with you. Okay. Don't worry. All our teachers will be with you. We'll move together always. Vasudeva Kutumbakam. Ours is a very big family. Okay. For Guru, there is no family planning. Okay. Okay. For ordinary man, there is a family planning. 1 or 2 children. For us, there are so many children. Okay. So it is wonderful to experience this love. Okay. So thank you. All the best. Okay. Take rest. We'll do prayer. Before that, any announcement is there, Bhaniji?
Yes, Guruji. Yeah, Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev Acharya ji. Chinna request.
There is one announcement. Yes, yes, one announcement is there. Before that announcement, as it is going on, I would like to ask you a question, all the TTC participants. Okay. Okay. People come to SSI program. Okay. For what? To get health. And they will become healthy. They will be happy. People come to AMC. Okay. And to get peace. And they will get peace. Okay. By the sadhana of silence, they will become peaceful. And when they come to BST, okay, they will get freedom. They will come out of their past karmas. Okay. So, what is TTC? Why you need to come to TTC is the question.
To become a child.
That you become in SSY itself. Okay. You learn how to be a child.
To become perfect. To become an offer of seva.
To become parents to the world.
Yes. To make a beautiful things in the world and explore the world.
अपने सपना की दुनिया को प्रस्तावित करने के लिए.
तो दुनिया प्रस्तावित करने के लिए इधर क्यों आना है? टीटीसी में क्यों है, उधर रह के भी कर सकते हैं ना।
वो डीप में जाके गुरुदेव डीप में जाके उसका नॉलेज लेके उसको अच्छी तरीके से वो दिशा में आगे जाके कर सकते हैं, इसलिए
The knowledge of Guruji.
Continuously being in sadhana, which is very important. So TTC, while teaching itself, we can learn ourselves and be in sadhana, and we can also do the seva to this world, and we can stand with the Guruji's vision, which he has created.
We should be able to see God in everything by coming.
To learn from children. To learn from children.
And to
వివేకము, స్వాతంత్రము, సమృద్ధిని సంపాదించుకోవడం.
Okay.
learn how to be with Guru.
समाधि, ध्यान और धारणा से आदर्श दुनिया का निर्माण करना.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. See, all these programs, SSI, AMC, BST, are to you. Okay. For you to get something, to become healthy, to become peaceful, to become free. Okay. But DTC is to give these things. It's not for you to become. Okay. It is about to give health to everyone around you, to make everyone peaceful around you, to make everyone free. For that, you need to come to teachers training. Okay. Simple. Okay. It is now, if you are still thinking about what for me, you are not a teacher. Okay. And what happens when you are giving and you are also getting? This is a principle of life. Okay. The more you give health, the more healthier you become. Okay. The more you can make others peaceful, you are more peaceful. The more you are able to make others free, you are more free. Okay. You are experiencing the mukti. Okay. Not by binding others. Okay. By making others free, you will experience that state of mukti, the freedom. So here the SSY teacher's consciousness is about purely how I can offer this. Right? Clear? So for all the teachers now, okay, trainee teachers, tomorrow is the only day where all others, means the children SSY teachers will teach the children SSY class. From day after tomorrow, you are going to teach the children SSY class. Okay, so be ready. Okay, whoever are ready, you will be given the opportunity. First come, first serve. Okay, but for Telugu participants, you have a bigger opportunity because we made 3 classes out of the whole class. We made 3 classes. So we separated 1 to 7, then 8 to 14, then 15 to 22. So in each class, you are separated into like that. Okay. So out of you only, 2 people, 1 person can choose class, 1 person can choose pranayama. Okay. You need to declare in the morning class. So I am doing class, I am doing pranayama. Clear? So all the languages also same. Okay. So you declare. Okay. I am ready for this. So you declare, then you do. Ready? So be ready. Before you declaring, you need to complete this at least with another 1 partner, 1-to-1. Don't do without doing 1-to-1 with any other partner. Whether it is children SSY class or pranayama, you need to do 1-to-1 by yourself. You make your own time and schedule your Zoom with another partner and do it. Already I told you, you do it, you continue doing it. Okay, so that you can learn something more here. Right? Clear? Yes. So tomorrow also, our teachers will do the class. But from day after tomorrow, it is your class. Be ready. Jai Gurudev. Yes, we can do prayer and we can end the session.
జై గురుదేవ్ భవానీజీ.
చెప్పు వెంకటేశ్వర.
ఈరోజు విఘ్నేష్ బర్త్డే.
తెలుగు సంవత్సరాది వినాయక చవితి సందర్భంగా.
ఓకే, సో టుడే నిజంగానా అదే రోజా?
అవును అవును గురుజీ.
ఓకే, అంటే తిథి నుంచా డేట్ నుంచా?
తిథి నుంచి డేట్
ఓకే,
వచ్చాక సెప్టెంబర్ 1st
right. Today one of our TTC participant, okay, birthday, and his name is Vignesh, because he was
Vignesh,
born
very
on
good.
Vinayak Chaviti day, so same birthday as Ganesha.
Very
So,
nice.
Vignesh will spotlight. Yes.
మాట్లాడు గురుజీ. జై గురుదేవ్ గురుజీ.
Yeah. Jai Gurudev. Okay, bless him.
Jai Gurudev, Vignesh. Yes. Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev, Jai
God bless you. Yes.
God bless.
Yes, for him. Yes, for him we will wish in Sanskrit, okay? जन्मदिनमिदं आयि प्रिय सखे शम्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदं प्रार्थयामहे भवशतायुषी ईश्वरः सदा त्वां च रक्षतु पुण्यकर्मणा कीर्तिमर्जय जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकम्. Jai Gurudev, Vignesh.
Jai Gurudev Acharya.
God bless you, ma.
Thank you Acharya.
Lord Vignesh also bless you. Okay, very nice.
Thank you Acharya. Jai Gurudev.
Vignesh Shatam Jivet Sharadam.
Very nice.
Jai Gurudev.
Shatam Jivet Sharadam.
Thank you ma.
జన్మదిన శుభాకాంక్షలు.
జన్మదిన శుభాకాంక్షలు.
Thank you. Vignesh, happy birthday.
God bless you, Vignesh.
Happy birthday to you and happy birthday to Ganpati Bappa.
Bappa Moria.
Happy birthday Vignesh.
Thank you.
Happy birthday Vignesh bhai. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Vignesh.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
Very nice.
Happy birthday Vignesh.
Bless you, Vignesh.
Happy birthday.
Okay, we can chant 3 times Mrityunjaya mantra, then we can continue with prayer and end the session. Okay.
Okay.
3 times Mrityunjaya mantra.
Before closing, before chanting, tomorrow schedule same or Sunday? Any change?
Okay. Tomorrow's schedule is same. Morning schedule is same. 5 o'clock you will join, and the same Sandhya Vandana and pranayama and learning of pranayama will go on same, and the next session timing will be told in the morning session. Okay.
Sunday 6 o'clock, Guruji.
No, not 6 o'clock. Same 5 o'clock.
Okay.
Sandhya Vandana is there. Okay, we can't skip that.
Right.
Time is same. Okay. Evening night session, what we will do? We don't extend till 9 o'clock. We will end it by children SSI class. Okay. So Guru Darshan will be 1 hour before children SSY class. Okay, that I will tell you tomorrow morning. Okay, tomorrow's schedule. Be in readiness. Okay, always be in journey for unknown instead of knowing everything and be ready for that. Okay, that will be more exciting, right? Right. So 3 times. Mrityunjaya mantra. Om Trayambakam Yajamhe Sugandhim Pushtivardanam
Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrityo Mokshiryamanamrutat Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrityo Mokshiryamanamrutat Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrityo Mokshiryamanamrutat Adgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritangamaya Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev. I'm ending the session here. Morning, 10 minutes before 5. Okay. Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev.